Hello everyone. Today I wanted to share with you an unboxing or unpackaging of my new Selkie dresses. Now these dresses are from the recent Selkie and The Last Unicorn collaboration, which I was hugely excited about when they announced it. However, only 2 of my 4 items did ship. I'm still waiting on 2 more, so I'll have to add a part 2 video once those other items arrive. But before I dig into this package, I quickly wanted to share a few of my thoughts about my shopping experience with Selkie. Selkie did release this collaboration in September of last year. I believe September 12th they released the first teaser image, September 13th they added the flat images of the dresses, and on September 14th they launched the pre-order. So there was admittedly not a lot of time or information to go off of for pre-orders. Now luckily all of the dresses are previous styles from Selkie, so you could look at older dresses in different colorways and different prints and get an idea of how they would fit and look when worn. There was also a lot of criticism online for this collaboration. I think many people felt that the print looked cheap, maybe not very well placed or imaginative, and I could kind of see where people were coming from. I also, up until this point, had only had a very middling shopping experience with Selkie, and I'm not very keen on their customer service. But because I'm a huge fan of The Last Unicorn, I was ready to get hurt again. So I did my pre-order, and all I had to do was wait 5 long months for it to ship. The expected ship date was January 15th. And come January 15th, I had received no shipping notifications. I also saw online that there was talk that there was shipping delays. So I reached out to Selkie's customer support and asked about any shipping delay. On January 19th, Selkie's customer support got back to me and they said, yes, there is a shipping delay. Now just a few days later, I did get a shipping notification, but only 2 of my 4 items had shipped. So I'm gonna have to just stay tuned for the other 2 items, and I really don't know when they will ship. There's been no further update from Selkie. So hopefully down the road I can add a second video and share my other 2 items. Now the 4 items I ordered were the French Puff, the Cottage Puff, the day dress in pink, and the puffer jacket. Now only the French Puff and the Cottage Puff have shipped so far. It looks like my 2 pink items, the day dress and the puffer jacket, are still waiting. But I am very excited to share this with you, very excited to open this up and take a look. So let's get into it. Alrighty, here is my bag and I've got my handy scissors to cut it open. Although actually I may not even need scissors. I feel like I can just kind of rip the plastic here. And it's just sort of this plastic shipping bag. And then the 2 dresses right here. Ooh. Alright, so here we can see the French Puff and the Cottage Puff. So let's see here. This one's called The Last Unicorn Dream Cottage Puff Dress in size medium. And this one is, oh, I can't read it. The tag's in the way. The Last Unicorn Amalthea French Puff in size medium. Now, I ordered these in size medium back in September, but I had a very jolly holiday season and I've put on a little weight, so I'm hopeful that they'll still fit. It's really almost been maybe, not quite, but almost 6 months since I ordered it. It's quite a long time. So let's start and open up the purple one. here. It's really puffy. So many layers. Got our tags, and let's see the zipper. Oh, nice and smooth. That's nice. And yeah, I believe this is the, I'm not sure, chiffon or organza. It's very pretty. So the outside layer is printed, and so is the underlayer of the skirt. Oh wow, it looks like we're very generous with the layers, and it's all printed fabric. And I'm not sure if you can see the print. It is very pretty, and I absolutely love this color. This really soft lavender. I have never had a French puff before, so I'm very excited to see how it'll look on. So I'm going to set it aside, and then I'm going to open the cottage puff. Okay. Now this one is cotton, which I think I might actually be looking more forward to. It seems like it'll be more comfortable for every day. Oh, and it feels very strange. Huh. Wow, the print is very light on it. I mean, subtle and soft, but I feel like you can hardly, just barely see it. So the outside layer is printed. Okay. Next layer. So it looks like all the layers are printed. That's nice. Let's look at the center front. The print placement is okay-ish on the bodice. I'm a bit picky about that. I mean, it's nothing horrible, but I wouldn't say it's like, oh, great. I actually need to look on the purple one. Okay. Upside down. I mean, I know that's sort of the point. It's like repeating, so some parts are upside down. But actually, it doesn't bother me. It looks pretty cute. So, now this one is very strange. I almost want to look at the tags, the material. Maybe this is that new cotton fabric everyone's been talking about. Here we go. Here are the tags. It's 100% cotton. It really is. It just feels not bad, but just, I don't know, the feel of it is maybe not exactly what I was expecting. Yeah, I really don't know. I'm gonna have to show you close up the print on this one. I feel like it's so subtle, the print of the unicorn on here. You can just barely see it. So here are these two dresses, the cottage puff and the French puff. I am going to do a quick try on and show you what they look like when worn. Yeah, so let's try them on really quick and let's see what they look like. Hopefully they fit. Fingers crossed. Okay, so I have put on the French puff. What do y'all think? It is very puffy, very twirly. I'm not exactly sure how I feel about it. The sleeves kind of come really far off, so it's very particular what bra you wear with it. I mean, It feels very girly and fun. Back. But I am not sure if I love it. I don't know. Now, like I said, I did put on a little weight over the holidays. Like maybe if this was size large, it would like fit a bit more comfortably. This is size medium. Gosh, I don't know. It just kind of gives you such, it's a very unique shape. You know, these giant sleeves, sort of like really square right here, sort of a uniboob, very puffy, kind of empire waisted. It's cute. I'm just not sure if I'm like in love with it. I don't know. What do y'all think? I guess you can leave a comment. Tell me if you love it or hate it. Let's try on the Cottage Puff and see if I like that one better. All right, here I have the Cottage Puff on. And you know what? This dress feels night and day different to that polyester one. I don't know if it's because this dress is cotton, but it feels and it fits so much better. I feel like the bodice is just a touch bigger. It fits so much more comfortably. And of course the fabric feels really nice. I really like that cotton. So maybe that's sort of a personal thing. I just prefer the cotton to those polyester dresses. And it made me think. I recently bought this dress from Selkie, the Unicorn Defends Romantics, and I love this dress. And I was kind of thinking after I bought it, oh, is it because it's cotton? You know, other Selkie dresses that I own are also polyester, and I'm not too crazy about them. Yeah, this one is amazing. It's like night and day difference from the purple dress, the Amalthea French Puff. I really like this one. Seriously, it feels so much better, and it feels like it fits better too. Now, of course, the Cottage Puff is quite a bit shorter than the French Puff. And I feel like, you know, if I bent over, you could definitely get the full view, see some bum, but it is so cute. Really like this one. Okay, but like one thing, this is sort of like a little nitpick, is I'm not sure if you can see here on the bodice, but the print, right? We've got one upside down unicorn and then like some legs. Kind of don't love the print placement, but I know that's like a super nitpick. You know, I feel like at this price point, they would have a little more care with where they place the pattern pieces on the fabric. But I think what they do is layer the fabric, you know, put like 10 layers of fabric and then cut out one size in one go. So you kind of cut out like 10 size mediums in one go. So I guess you can't be like too particular, but still, it's just like a little nitpick of mine is just pattern placement, especially on like sort of the, you know what I mean, right here front and center. Kind of like when you get your hair done, you know, you put like the money pieces front and center. I just kind of feel like this piece right here could have a little care. Again, that's like totally a nitpick. I think overall it looks very cute. I'm not sure if you can see the print. It really is this soft, kind of like aqua, and then the horn and everything is sort of this light purple. So the print itself is a little difficult to see, but it is still very cute. Yeah, I really like this dress. I definitely think I like it more than the French Puff. That could just be me. Now, I still have the day dress and the puffer jacket coming, and I'm really excited for those. Especially since I really like this cotton dress, I have high hopes for the day dress. But we'll just have to wait. Hopefully those will get shipped soon. And if you would like to see those two pieces, then definitely like and subscribe. And again, thank you so much for watching. Bye!